Welcome to our Perry Lane project. We're under construction here, and we're gonna walk you through and show you what a job site looks like under construction. Here's some wainscoting details we put in. This is what a beautiful kitchen looks like while it's under construction. Come on through to our pantry. We have custom cabinetry and custom hardwood countertops. This is a dual purpose mudroom, so it's gonna act as an office countertop space and then a locker for the kids' baseball equipment. Powder room wallpaper, check. Here we are in the office. We have built-ins on each side, countertop for our computer, and we'll have a small desk in here with some chairs. Hallway bath. This was existing, but we renovated it. Laundry room coming together. Built-ins, laundry machine, washer, dryer coming on Monday. Primary bath, ensuite. This was added as part of the addition and scope. Primary bedroom. Check out these amazing molding details that the architect designed. We're gonna enter into the primary closet. We got all sorts of features in here. We have the island. We've got a built-in hamper to conceal all dirty laundry, extendable tie rods. Beautiful.